How to change Facebook cover photo on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook cover photo on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture at the top left to open your profile page. Now on your profile, you'll see your current cover photo. Tap on the Edit button or simply tap on the cover photo itself. A menu will appear with several options like Upload Photo, Select Photo on Facebook, Create Collage, View Cover Photo. To change your cover image, tap Upload Photo. Now your iPhone gallery will open. Choose the photo you want to set as your new cover. After selecting the photo, you can drag, adjust, and reposition it to fit perfectly. Once it looks good, tap Save at the top right. Your Facebook cover photo is now updated successfully. And that's it. That's how you change your Facebook cover photo on an iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.